Look at here in product heading page. If you go to product type, then we see we have simple product, grouped product, external affiliate product, and variable product. By default, it doesn't have bundle product. We need to install extension. And if I go to plugin section and search for bundle product, here you see lots of bundle plugin. If you try some of them, you're gonna get minimum option to create bundle product. Even after purchasing pro version, maybe you won't be satisfied. But today I'm going to share with you a bundle product plugin. It is developed by WooCommerce itself. It has all options and settings related to bundle product. Also from my side, I have installed it in my client website and tested every option worked perfectly. All settings work correctly. So today's video, let's see how to create bundle product in your WooCommerce online store with versatile features. Alright, before seeing how to add bundle product, let's know shortly what is exactly bundle product. Bundle product means purchasing multiple simple products together as a bundle to get some discount. If the same product, if you buy separately, it would cost more money. Okay, I'm already in the dashboard, so go to plugin, then add new plugin. Because it is paid plugin and you won't get that in this page, you need to first download it from WooCommerce store. You see here, this is the plugin and the price. After download, you need to upload it from here. So I'm gonna choose it from my computer. It is selected, install, activate the plugin. And if you want to try this plugin on your website free for testing purpose or for educational purpose, then you can contact to me. I'm gonna give you free of cost. So now let's create a new bundle product. So I'm going to product and then add new product. I'm gonna name it iPhone bundle offer and some dummy description to show you description, and also put here 2-line short description, copy, paste it 3 times, and you can also categorize this whatever you want. Now I'm gonna set product feature image, for example this image, and some gallery image, this one, this 3 image, and price, just example price to show you here 2000. Now let's add some product. Okay, so go to product data and you see here product bundle, newly added option. So click it, and so you see here bundle product is option for this plugin. So if you come here, then first of all we need to add some product here. So I'm gonna add iPhone, this one, and adapter, this one. Also let's add another product, earpod, this one. Okay, so we have added 3 products. Now let's see what option we have from the top side. First of all, you see here layout. If you click, then standard, tabular, and grid. Let me show you quickly one by one that you can take a look. So first publish this product and open it on the new tab. So you see here standard layout looks like, and come back, change it very quickly to show you tabular, update, come back, refresh it, and you see here not more change, just off-white color, and here is the number of the quantity. Okay, come back here again and let me show you third one, and then grid, how does it look like. So click again, come back this page and refresh it. So you see here how does it look like, and then Let's change it back standard, and if I go to the next option, forum location, now it is right side. If I click before tab, then it will go to, I hope, left side. Refresh. You see here the changes. So make it default, and then item grouping, I will show you that later. It actually works on the cart page. And then minimum size, maximum size, this is actually, you see here we have added 3 items. So maximum how many items in this bundle can be added, you can specify here in minimum and maximum. Okay, let me show you. For example, I'm gonna put here 2, maximum 2 item we can add in this bundle. Update and come back here, refresh it. So if I scroll down, then you see here error message, please choose up to 2 items, and there is no any option, then we can delete any item. You see here we have selected 3 items. So how do you solve this problem? Let me show you. If I go to here, then you see 3 product we have added, but every product is essential in our setting. Here you see every product is essential. We need to make one product optional, then the problem automatically will be solved. Refresh again. Now you see it is optional. If I select again, problem back. So when you add product, definitely you need to set up your store, add your product perfectly, so that won't be any error message. Now let's move to next option, edit in cart. I will show you that later. Now let's move to individual product. What setting we have exactly here? So first of all, you see basic setting and then advanced setting. Let's start from basic settings. Minimum quantity, it is 1. Maximum quantity, default quantity. Let me show you, then you can understand clearly. Minimum quantity, I'm gonna add 2, and maximum quantity, I'm gonna add 5, and default 3. Okay. So now if I update this page and come back here, refresh it. So you see here 3 default number shown, and if I try to change it more than 5, then I can't. And even if I try to make it more than 2, then I can't. So this is how you can limit the quantity for every individual product. And then optional, it is really good option if you want to sell any product individually with offer within this bundle. Let me show you an example. For example, within this bundle, this 2 product is mandatory, but this product is optional. And if anyone buy this product within this bundle, he will get 10% discount. So how do you do that? Let me show you on this airport. So click it, and then first of all make it optional, and then price individually. I'm gonna give price 10% discount. Let me show you update. If I come back here and refresh the page, so you see in this bundle, this 2 product is mandatory, but this is optional. If the customer want to buy this separately from your store from the single product page, this page, there is no 10% discount. You see here. So now I can add to cart. I think definitely this option can increase your sale in your store. Now let's move to the next option, and what we have here, we did not set here any shipping. So you see this is unassembled. If I click here and select any shipping class 10 for each item, then we can do that. After doing, also we have here shipping individually. If you want to send this product customer individually, then you can select it. In some case maybe you need it. And then next move to advanced settings. You see here product details, cart, checkout, order. I don't know in which case you need it, but if you want to do that, then you can click and check. Our product will be hidden from this list, but price will be the same. You see now iPhone not showing. And then override title, override short description. Sometimes you see here short description, it is long, a big description. If you want to show here a little description or any attractive title or something, let me show you. For example, this is bundle short description. Now you see description, it is overrated. And then so on, hide thumbnail. If you want, you can do that. Now let's add product to our cart. So here I'm going to add all this product to cart, and let's see the cart in another tab. You see here total price, shipping fee, and we can increase the bundle item from here, but individually if I click here, but I can't. So to do that, you can do, I already told you before. So for example, if I come to iPhone and maximum quantity, I need to change it, and if I come back, refresh it, then I can change it until 5. Now come back here, and I told you before, this option you see here, item grouping, it is actually work on the card. So if I change it flat, then update. Now look at the card. First of all, refresh this page. Now you see here it is showing here flat one by one, not in grouping. And if I change it none, you see here error message, unassembled, and no price, because we have already selected here price. If I remove the price and go to shipping and unassemble it and come back to the cart, now you see how does it look like in none option. But I think it is not so useful, but any case, if you need, then it is here. So next option is edit in the cart. Okay, so first of all, update it. You see here we do not have any edit option, but if I check it, edit in the cart and update, and now you see new option available here, edit item. So I can go back to this page and edit it. Also we can edit on this cart page, so it is not so important. So this is how you can add bundle product in your WooCommerce store. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share. Also write your valuable thoughts in comment section below. Thanks for watching.